Hello, class. Let's tackle this algebra problem. The question asks us to find the value of the expression, open parenthesis, 3x minus a, close parenthesis, times, open parenthesis, 3x plus a, close parenthesis. The key here is that the final answer shouldn't have x in it. It must be expressed entirely in terms of a. To do this, we're given a crucial piece of information. 3x squared equals 2a. Our strategy will be to first simplify the main expression and then use the given equation to substitute and eliminate x. All right, let's start with step 1. As you can see on the screen, the first thing we need to do is expand the expression. When you see a format like open parentheses, something minus something else, close parenthesis, times, open parenthesis, the same thing plus the same thing else, close parentheses, you should immediately think of the difference of squares formula. This is a vital shortcut in algebra. The formula states that p minus q times p plus q is equal to p squared minus q squared. In our problem, pay is 3x, and a cold is array, a. Applying this, we square the first term, 3x squared, which gives us 9x squared. Then we subtract the square of the second term, which is a squared. So our expression simplifies to 9x squared dash a squared. Now for step 2. We've simplified our expression to 9x squared dash a squared. But our goal is to get rid of the x. Let's look at the clue the problem gave us. 3x squared equals 2a. We can't substitute this directly because our expression has 9x squared, not 3x squared. So we need to be a little clever. As you can see on the screen, we can rewrite 9x squared as 3 times 3x squared. Why do we do this? Because now we have a 3x squared term inside the parentheses, which we know is equal to 2a. So we can replace the 3x squared with 2a. This gives us 3 times 2a, and that simplifies to 6a. So we've successfully transformed the 9x squared term into 6a. We're on the home stretch now with step 3. This is where we put everything together. In step 1, we found that our expression simplifies to 9x squared dash a squared. In step 2, we figured out that 9x squared is actually just another way of writing 6a. So for our final step, we take our simplified expression 9x squared dash a squared, and we substitute 6a in place of 9x squared. As you can see in the equation on the screen, this gives us our final answer, 6a squared. So let's look at the final result. The value of the expression is 6a squared. Now, we just need to compare this to the multiple choice options we were given at the start. Our result, 6a squared, matches option D exactly. By using the difference of squares formula and clever substitution, we have found the correct answer. Great job, everyone!